Hey, Heidi with Opticom, and I want to come to you today about lag time, and about just like a lot of the facilities that we work with don't want to go to IP, the ones that need the real time. It's a real big issue for them. So we have different solutions. There's another video circulating right now about the 10 stream solution that we have that really helps reduce lag time. But if you are still sitting in the house of we need coax for our operators so that we have real time, but we're torn because we also need to go networking because we need to see the cameras everywhere else and our whole company wide, we're moving to that direction, right? Like everybody is, you're not alone. Okay. So there is another solution available to you. Most of you, if you've been an Opticom customer for a while, then you are most likely familiar with the CCO2 camera. This is the analog, high vibration, high impact, like stupid temperature, like, I mean, just like crazy camera can do be all camera for anybody. Okay, and it's a coax, so it comes in analog or the HD over coax, which is HD TVI. And then we've also got the CCO4 camera. Okay, so this is the same idea as the CCO2, high vibration, high impact, all the things, lots of case studies on it. And it is an IP PoE connection for your networking. But a lot of the concern is, again, that lag time that you can get when you have a networking. And if you're in a sawmill, and there's some other industries that have similar with this, like you can't even have like a second delay, a half second. Like it's really imperative that you are it's real time 100%. So here is what we have for you. And we're really excited about this. So all the perks of the CCO2 camera for that kind of environment with the CCO4, with this PoE, but looky what we did. Okay, so now we've got the IP networking PoE as well as the BNC connection. So you can have one camera, you can put it on your network, and then you can run your cable, which is probably already there if you're an older mill, from the BNC to the camera directly into your operator cab to where there's zero lag time. You can use whatever technology you have there. If not, we have it all still. And you can connect right there to have that immediate viewing for your operators in those crucial areas. So I hope that helps. I hope that opens your eyes to be like, oh, because I know a lot of y'all are like buying the analog camera and you're buying the network camera and y'all have got way too many cameras all over the place and you're just installing and adding, and it's kind of a headache, right? Like I don't blame you. I would be annoyed. So this will just allow you to install the one camera, or as one camera fails, you can move this camera in place to replace that camera that will do both things and accomplish your goals. And that way, if you have any questions about that, or just like need a little help, maybe laying out your system or looking to make changes, or you're just trying to migrate to the networking and you don't know where to start, like what's going to make the most sense, you are always welcome to call. I've been doing this with mills and mining and a lot of these industries for a really long time, with Opticom specifically. So our number is 269-966-2900. My name is Heidi, but you can talk to anybody, or you can always visit our website at www.opticomtech.com. Have an awesome day.